If you've got files on a USB flash drive and you need to save them to Google Drive, then this video will show you how. So go ahead and plug in your USB flash drive into your computer. Once you've done that, you can go to File Explorer. Then you should be able to find this PC, and then you'll be able to see your local drive and also the USB drive you've just plugged in. If you double click on your USB drive, here you can see the files. You can go ahead and back any of these up to Google Drive. So next, what we need to do is open up a web browser. I'm on Google Chrome here, and as you can see in the top right, I'm already logged in to Google. If that's the case and you're already logged in as well, if you head over to google.com, you can go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner, and then you can go ahead and click on Drive. So click on Drive and it should open up. Alternatively, you can just search for Google Drive. So here I am in my Google Drive, and from here we can go ahead and back up these files. Again, if you were Google searching it, you just search Google Drive sign in and you should be able to see it here, and it will take you into Drive once you've signed in. Now what I would recommend you do is go ahead and make a folder. So if you go to My Drive, you'll be able to see all of the files and all of the folders you've currently got. I'm going to click on New in the top left hand corner, and then we can go ahead and create a new folder, and I'm going to call this folder USB Drive. Now I've done that, it should then create the folder, which we can go ahead and double click in it. Now we're in the folder, everything can be organized nicely. We can open up File Explorer, again go to this PC, the USB drive, and then we can go ahead and copy all of the files we want to back up. So left click, highlight all of them. Once they're highlighted, you just want to go ahead and drag them on to Google Drive. So if you open up the File Explorer next to Google Drive, you can just simply drag them on and you'll see Google Drive change here, which you can then let go of the files and they will start to upload. Alternatively, if you didn't want to drag and drop them or you had a lot, you could go to New, File Upload, and then find your USB drive this way and highlight them from here and click Open. You'll see the status of your files here, and in a second, depending on the file size, they will then be uploaded. So now everything has been uploaded. Now in future, when we come back to Google Drive, we can go to My Drive. You'll be able to find the folder, and here is the saved files from your USB drive.